11th standard English. Students, now we are going to learn about adverbs. In this adverbs, they will be asked the lexical competency, vocabulary testing. In the parts of speech, adverb plays an important role. Let us see what is its role. Adverb, basically, most adverbs tell you how, where, or when something is done. In other words, they describe the manner, place, or time of an action. Commonly, adverbs are formed from adjectives. Some are below. Adjectives and adverbs they have given. So that's differentiate. Kind, kindly. Happy, happily. Wonderful, wonderfully. Loud, loudly. Sad, sadly. Beautiful, beautifully. Sweet, sweetly. So adjectives and adverbs that differentiate, first we should know about it. What is the adjective, what is the adverb? Adjective describes a noun and adverbs it describes a verb. That's all. Many adverbs end with ly. You make these adverbs by adding ly to adjectives. Note, some words that end in ly are not adverbs. Some adjectives end in ly too. For example, Sam was feeling very lonely. Sam was feeling very lonely. That end in ly. That's a rule. Okay. So lonely. She was wearing a lovely dress. Lovely. She was wearing a lovely dress. Lovely is a adverb. It was a very lively party. Lively. Okay. So that's adverb. Okay, here now we are going to learn about these kinds of adverbs. Adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of frequency, adverb of purpose or reason, adverb of quantity or degree, adverb of affirmation or negation. Okay, so adverb of manner, how will you identify that? So we can easily identify the adverb. So how will you identify what kind of adverb? First we should identify that. So adverb of manner, it describes in which manner an action is done. It describes in which manner an action is done. Place, adverb of place, it describes where an action is done. Where an action is done. Okay, that adverb of place. Adverb of time, it describes when an action is done. Describes when an action is done. So it called as adverb of time. Adverb of frequency, it shows how many times an action is done. Frequency, how often, so how many times an action is done. So we can use adverb of frequency. Adverb of purpose, otherwise adverb of reason, it describes the purpose or reason for the action. So adverb of quantity, it shows how much or in what degree or to what extent. Adverb of affirmation or negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. So we can use affirmation, adverb of affirmation or negation. Okay, adverb of place here first. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the questions where. They are called adverb of place. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question where. So we can easily identify that adverbs of place. For examples, the boys are playing upstairs. The boys are playing upstairs. Where they are playing? Upstairs. So what kinds of adverb? Adverbs of place. The dog is in the garden. The dog is in the garden. Where is the dog? In the garden. So adverb of place. We are going to New York City on our school trip. We are going to New York City on our school. New York City. So where we are going? New York City. It's very sunny but cold outside. It's very sunny but cold outside. Okay, so adverb of place. I have lived here for about 2 years. I have lived here. Where you live? Here. English and German are closely related. Closely, adverb of places. I mark still in bed. Still, adverb of place. His children go everywhere with him. Everywhere, adverb of places. Okay, adverbs of manner. Some adverbs and adverbs phrases describe the way people do things. For examples, the girls answered all the questions carefully. The girls answered all the questions carefully. Adverb of manner. He was driving carelessly. Carelessly. Adverb of manner. The plane landed safely. Adverbs of manner. Ramu plays guitar skillfully. Ramu plays guitar. How does he play? Skillfully. So adverbs of manner. Adverb of manner. They watched carefully. Carefully is a adverb of manner. The flower was beautifully made up. Beautifully, adverb of manner. She seemed faintly. Faintly, adverb of manner. The team played wonderfully. Wonderfully, adverb of manner. Adverbs of frequency. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question how often an action is done. How often an action is done. They are called adverbs of frequency. How many times is work done? So that's adverb of frequency. For examples, the children always go to school on the bus. The children always go to school on the bus. Always, adverb of frequency. How many times go to school? Always. I will never make that mistake again. I will never. So never we can use adverb of frequency. I clean my bedroom every day. So how many times clean? Every day, no? So we can use adverbs of frequency. Dad polishes his shoes twice a week. How many weeks, no? Twice a week. Okay, so dad polishes his shoes twice a week. Adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of time. Some adverbs and adverb phrases answer the question when they are called adverbs of time. For example, the train has already left. Already, adverbs of time. We moved into our new house last week. We moved into our new house last week. The adverb of time. Our favorite TV program starts at 6 o'clock. Adverb of time, at 6 o'clock. I'm going to my new school tomorrow. Tomorrow is the adverb of time. We shall now begin to work now. Adverb of time. He called here a few minutes ago. I have spoken to him yesterday. Yesterday, adverbs of time. He comes here daily. Adverb of time. Mr. Gupta formerly lived here. Formerly, adverbs of time. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much, in what degree or to what extent. He was too careless. Adverbs of quantity or degree. It shows how much or in what degree or what extent we can use adverb of quantity. He was too careless. Too, say quantity. The sea is very stormy. The sea is very stormy. Adverb of quantity or degree. I am rather busy. Adverbs of quantity, rather. I am fully prepared. Fully, adverbs of quantity. These mangoes are almost ripe. Almost, adverbs of quantity. Adverbs of reason. The adverbs which tells about a reason is called adverb of reason. He is hence unable to refute the charge. He is hence. So adverb of reason. He therefore left school. Therefore. Okay. So we can use for reasons, a purpose, called as adverbs of reason. Adverb of affirmation and negation, which says yes if it is yes and no if it is no. For example, I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. I don't know. Surely you are mistaken. He certainly went. Examples of adverbs here. She sings sweetly. How does she sing? Sweetly. So that is adverb. He speaks quite clearly. Clearly, adverbs. Commonly we can use adverb. So what kinds of adverbs? Also we have to learn. Okay, so we have learned kinds of adverbs. So here commonly examples of adverbs they have given here. She sings sweetly. He speaks quite clearly. She shouts loudly. She smiled cheerfully. Adverb. The traffic was moving slowly. She writes neatly. We waited patiently to see the doctor. Patiently. Adverb. Some examples of adverbs of different kinds. Tortoise walks slowly, adverb of manner. So what kinds of adverbs we can use here? So we can easily identify that. Tortoise walks, manner they have given, no, so slowly. The tortoise walks slowly. We will have our semester exam on April 1st week, adverb of time. The accident happened near the highway, adverb of place. At least twice a week I used to go for temple, adverb of frequency. So how many times is work done? Okay, so how often, frequency, adverb of frequency. We all go for a picnic just for enjoyment. We all go for picnic just for enjoyment. So purpose, reason, adverb of reason or purpose. The sea is very stormy, adverb of degree, adverb of quantity. Surely you are mistaken. Surely you are mistaken. Adverb of affirmation, adverb of negation otherwise. Try this exercise. His face was dirty and he was dressed in old clothes. So adverb of manner. Have you ever been in a plane? Ever, adverb of frequency. She was so ill that she missed school for a week, adverb of duration here, time. Adverb of time also we can use here. I did some homework last night and finished it this morning. So this morning, adverb of time. We went outside to play, within bracket place, no, so adverb of place, outside. We went outside, adverb of place. Dad takes the dog for a walk every day. So how many times, how often, frequency we can use, adverb of frequency. Sally left her pencil case on the bus. So adverb of place. Speak clearly so everyone can hear you, adverb of manner, clearly. It was a fine day and the children played in the garden all day, duration. So adverb of time. Go and do your homework. I have already done it, adverb of time. So here we can easily identify that what kinds of adverb. Okay, so what kinds of adverb we can find out easily. So they will be as choose. So from the choose we have to use correct adverbs. So okay, thank you students.